Unit 5.
Atmosphere. Atmosphere is a noun. Atmosphere is the air that surrounds Earth, or the feeling or mood in a room or place. Earth's atmosphere is made up of invisible gases. Now you say the word atmosphere. Atmosphere. Brilliant. Brilliant is an adjective. Brilliant means sparkling or full of light or striking and shiny. Brilliant also means very smart. Many stars in the universe are brilliant. Now you say the word brilliant. Brilliant. Convince. Convince is a verb. To convince is to get someone to believe something or to do something, to win over. It is easy to convince me to eat 2 pieces of carrot cake. Now you say the word convince. Convince. Endure. Endure is a verb. To endure is to put up with or to continue in the same way for a long time. I cannot endure your silly jokes. Now you say the word endure. Endure. Glance. Glance is a verb. To glance is to look quickly, or to bounce off a surface and fly off to one side. I will glance at my watch from time to time to make sure my speech isn't too long. Now you say the word glance. Glance. Glance is a noun. A glance is a quick look. One glance told me we would be close friends. Now you say the word glance. Harsh. Harsh is an adjective. Harsh means rough or unpleasant to the senses, or unkind in voice or behavior. Try not to speak in a harsh tone, even when you are angry. Now you say the word harsh. Harsh. Plunge. Plunge is a verb. To plunge is to fall quickly, or to quickly throw oneself down or into something. People looking for fun and thrills take the plunge in a roller coaster. Now you say the word plunge. Plunge. Plunge is a noun. A plunge is the act of jumping in. Enjoy taking a plunge into the pool. Now you say the word plunge. Precious. Precious is an adjective. Precious means very high-priced or loved and adored. Sapphires and rubies are precious jewels. Now you say the word precious. Precious. Swift. Swift is an adjective. Swift means able to move at quick speed or quick to respond. The current was swift as the canoe reached the rapids. Now you say the word swift. Swift. Unite. Unite is a verb. To unite is to bring 2 or more parts together to make a whole. The team's players need to unite during a game. Now you say the word unite. Unite.